There are a number of challenges in Harlech to do with parking, people parking along the high street, not enough parking in our car parks. People often go to a car park, find there's nowhere to park and leave, so we want people to stay in Harlech.
Da ni'n pilota bws gwennol, yr Hoppa Harlech, dros gyfnod yr ha, i fynd â bobl o maes parcio'r traeth fyny i Harlech uchaf. A wedyn gobeithio fydd mwy o ymwelwyr yn aros yn Harlech yn hirach ac yn mwynhau ei ymweliad efo'r tref.
The Hoppa bus has many benefits for our local community, for our businesses and for tourists. There's a voucher and we've had lots of people using it. They find out about it on the Hoppa bus. They get the equivalent of £1 off for every £10 spent.
Yeah, it's a really good service. It came on time. We were allowed to take our dogs with us and saved us a trek up the hill, so really good.
With coming on the train and having no car, which I'm sure a lot of people will do, won't they? It's too steep. I should do it. Not with my knees.
Lots of elderly local people have been using it to go to the post office, use the chemist. People along the top can go down to the surgery, to the hairdressers, to the shop down at the bottom. So it's been used a lot by locals, which is brilliant.
Oh, we think it's had a huge impact, that it's reduced congestion on the high street, right outside our business, because we're right in front of the castle. And this car park is usually very, very congested, and this year it seems to have eased quite a lot.
Well, we get a lot of customers that have limited mobility, may have some disability or infirmness. So yeah, a lot of our customers are now using the Hoppa to go up into Harlech who wouldn't have been able to go up previously. People who are in large motorhomes, they can be restricted because obviously the parking up in Harlech, so it's been a big benefit for them. They don't have to, move their motorhomes off park and drive up. So it's been a big benefit for the park, and in turn I think it's been a big benefit for Harlech itself.